Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Trade Talk podcast. We'll start with the global markets as there we are seeing some muted activity. In fact, most of the indices are trading with thin losses. Global macros are still at an unchanged levels. However, US stock futures are in the red. GIFT Nifty is trading nearly 55 points lower as compared to its previous close, and the dollar index is at 102.5. So while looking at the entire setup of the market, on Friday we saw spectacular rally in the market. It was like around 21,200. From there all the way it went to 21,500, and it was mainly because of specific FTSE's rebalancing on that day. So that's the reason we saw buying of nearly 9,000 crores in the equities, and market went up by nearly 1.5% during the day. But while looking at the entire setup of the market has made a fresh higher low at 20,750 in the previous week. From there all the way it went to 21,500. Now the markets are very close to their overbought levels. In case if there is any correction, then we should look for adding positions, and for the day specifically 21,250 is going to act as major support. So if we see the market is breaking to the same, then we can expect furthermore weakness. Otherwise we are expecting market to consolidate at higher levels. 21,250 is the support, and below that the chances of falling towards 21,100 150 would turn bright, and there the market is having immediate support levels. So between 21,150 to 21,050 we should look for adding positions with the stop loss at 20,000 with a stop loss at 21,000 on the downside. For the Bank Nifty, there also we saw gradual upward activity, and it closed above the mark of 48,000. So the next level to watch out for would be 48,500 and 48,600. But in case if it breaks 48,000, then the chances of hitting 47,600 650 would turn bright. Nifty IT index did well as per expectations on Friday. It was the gainer for the day, and we saw spectacular gains from the levels of 34,000 to almost 36,000. But most of the IT companies are now very close to their resistance level, and again the strategy should be to look for taking some profit if there is any furthermore rally from current levels. But in case if there is any correction, then we should look for adding long positions on dips. We like Infosys in that particular space. From the BFSI space, we like Bank of Baroda, which is very close to its all-time highest levels. Above that we can expect furthermore activity, and from the metal basket we like Jindal Steel and Power. So these are the stock on which we are going to focus in today's date, and we are advising to follow the levels for taking specific trade on the indices. That's all from my side. With this I am ending today's call. Thank you very much for listening me, and have a great day to all of you.